Today I want to ask you a very important question, especially if you're in sales. Are you a closer? There are many salespeople out there, and, they're good, but actually the prime salespeople are really good closers. You know what closing means, right? It means the ability to actually persuade someone and influence them to not only go through steps of agreeing with you, but actually get them to convict to the agreement and act upon it. Closers are in high demand when it comes to sales. And there are just a few elements about closing that are just very important to consider because, when you are in sales, just asking rote questions and pushing for the sale is not going to do it. A lot of people don't understand that instead of talking about features, you've got to talk about the benefits to that individual person that you are trying to get to buy whatever it is that you have. So one of the ways to do this, I'm just going to give you like a series of steps to take to get you through that whole process. And pretty much you start by addressing any concerns that they have. Like you want to ask questions to find out what their actual needs are and then find out what their concerns are. Then you want to pose questions to them based on those objections, but you also want to get them turn the question around to make it a positive. Like, for instance, if you are selling, a text messaging service. Gee, where did I get that from? So if you're selling a text messaging service, you want to ask them, now, do you know that 97% of the people carry their mobile phones with them? And of course, it's a true statement, so that answer would be yes. And you pretty much want to take them through a series of at least like 3 yes questions to whatever it is you're selling. Wouldn't you agree you want your refrigerator to be ice cold, when you put your meats in? So, they would more than likely say yes. But you want to keep those type of questions in mind when you're going through the process after you found out what their actual issue or problem is. You want to lead them with a series of yes questions. And you want to continue to speak to those objections, but also speaking to the objections with the benefits of whatever it is you are selling. Not with the features, but with the benefits. So you want to pose your conversation that way and make it very natural so that you can get them to agree with you. Then in the end, instead of having to ask for a sale, they're already in agreement with you, and you're pretty much saying, okay, well, how would you like to purchase this? When should I drop this off to you, or when can we sign the agreement? Because they have already agreed with you through this entire process. Well, I hope that helps as far as what it means to actually be a closer. So click the link below if you want additional information and free resources on selling and running your own business online. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.